guys, what are we going to talk about today?
Let's talk about Roe v. Wade being overturned.
Okay.
Jump into it. What do you think, Susan?
I think that's a great topic.
Okay, awesome. Well, Roe v. Wade was overturned, and therefore there's no constitutional right to an abortion. The states get to decide whether you have a right to abortion or not. In Florida, the current law on the books as of July 1st, 2022 is you have a right to an abortion up to 15 weeks, and then it's banned after that date unless two doctors verify that the health of the mother is at issue in the case. So there's a lot of potential repercussions and whatnot, and I want to get both of your thoughts on it.
Well, I am glad that Florida does have some consideration for medical issues. The real thing, not the real thing, but the thing that I'm interested in as far as our practice area is prior to Roe v. Wade, unborn fetuses did not have a right to recover. For instance, if there was a car accident and the mother gets injured and the child gets injured or killed, there was no right of recovery. So it will be interesting to see the law develop to determine whether or not the unborn child now has rights outside of the fetus, outside of the mother, as they did not before.
That is an interesting point. Plus the issue regarding the medical aspects of all of this, legal medical aspects. So for example, what Florida law has, a provision that allows for an abortion after that time period if two medical doctors agree. What is that going to mean exactly, and how that's going to be executed? And we know that President Biden signed an order talking specifically about emergencies and not being denied health care because it's an abortion. So the news has been talking a lot about the situation of a 10-year-old who was sexually assaulted and became pregnant as a result of that, and the controversies that are going to give rise to that. And also in other medical situations, for example, if you have an ectopic pregnancy, so a pregnancy that occurs in the fallopian tube, if you have that removed, is that going to be considered an abortion? These are the many issues that we've only highlighted briefly that are now starting to be discussed because of Roe v. Wade.